It was a brainstorming sessions. It was not only it was not only the one way thing. Both sides of the pain we come to understand, because as he's in the supply chain or the operations or the quality, we do come to know about it. Thank you so much for an interactive session. Thank you.
Thank you.
It's a wonderful session, madam. It's a really very nice interactive session. Cross-functional challenges, support, which is necessary to bring the Moolah, which is the theme of today's training. It is good, and I think we should continue it, as you said, on weekly basis or every 15 days till we achieve our what we say profitability expectations. Thank you so much.
Most welcome. Thank you.
Basically, this training has actually added one year of work to us, another 1 year of workload to us to implement all these things. But of course, this is going to help us in long term. And it was very interactive. Even after the lunch, we did not see people giving down. So it was more of interactive. That's the best part. So,
Right.
Thank
you.
Yeah, it was a very good interactive session. We enjoyed it. A lot of ideas were shared and a good input to think about what we need to do and how to do that. It was good. Thank you.
Great. So do you foresee better profitability?
Definitely yes. In the coming years, yes.
It was overall a good session and interactive and two-way activity based. So very informative, and moreover it was kindling the thoughts which we are already working on. So how better we can do going forward. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, training section was very good, and it has created a great platform for brainstorming. So that is the greater advantage what we had in this training. Take care.
Awesome.
Thank you.
So how do you think it will improve your profitability?
It is based on the implementations and actions what we are going to take it on. Right now we have some kind of a map or a mind map.
Roadmap.
Yeah, something like that. But the way how effectively we are going to implement, it's going to.
So in whose hands is it?
Yeah, it's in our hands. It's on our hands.
Yes. Thank you.
Very good interactive session. We are almost 6 hours now, so it's very gone very fast. So we have understand the pain points of our colleagues, and we understand what is the profitability, what the company is expecting from us. So definitely we'll put some more effort to achieve more profitability.